There's a quiet kind of magic in the garden. Not the kind that comes with sparks or spells, but the kind that lingers in the soil, whispering wisdom from generations past. I learned this from Frida, my grandmother, who never called herself a healer, yet somehow knew exactly what the earth needed and what we needed from it. Her garden wasn't just a place to grow food, it was a sanctuary, a healer's table set beneath the open sky. Now, in my own life, raising 2 kids, managing a full-time job, and squeezing in moments of quiet between the chaos, my healing garden is more than just a hobby. It's my way of reconnecting, slowing down, and remembering that life doesn't have to be rushed to be meaningful. Frida always said that the earth gives back what you put in. She believed that planting with care, with intention, meant the harvest would nourish more than just the body. It would heal the heart, too. She would run her fingers through the soft leaves of chamomile and smile, saying, "For sleep, for calm, for nights when the world feels too loud." She'd crush rosemary between her hands before tucking it into the edges of the garden, whispering, "For strength, for remembrance." I never truly understood these rituals as a child, but now, as I kneel in the damp soil of my own organic garden, I realize she was teaching me something deeper. That healing isn't just about what we eat, it's about how we live. Between emails, school runs, and late-night dinners, my garden is my grounding force. I grow organic food not just because it's healthier, but because it feels like reclaiming something. Time, connection, balance. My children love the garden too. They dig their small hands into the dirt, fascinated by the way a tiny seed becomes a towering tomato plant. It reminds me of Frida's hands, weathered but gentle, patient yet strong. We plant garlic for protection, chamomile for peace, rosemary for resilience, not just because Frida did, but because I've learned over time that these old traditions hold truth. As I snip fresh basil for dinner, inhaling its peppery warmth, I feel a sense of gratitude. The garden has healed me in ways I never expected, not just physically, but emotionally. It has given me a place to breathe, a way to connect with my past, and a future to pass down to my children. And in the end, isn't that what a healing garden is truly about? Not just the plants, but the hands that tend them, the wisdom that lingers in the soil, and the quiet, unwavering reminder that nature knows how to take care of us, if we let it.